Hey guys, it's DIY day.
Yay!
And we're making a really cool DIY.
Like we always do.
Obviously, I personally love when we make makeup. I think it's so cool, and especially when there's like, I totally have these in my pantry or in my kitchen, and then you're like, oh my god, I just made the best thing ever. So today, we're going to be making a DIY highlighter that you can put in either a tube or like a little container, and it's going to be perfect.
It's a cream highlighter.
It's going to be perfect for summertime. You can throw it in your bag, and if you just want like a little bit of a glow, so you can be like, oh, I woke up like this and I left the house like this is going to be perfect.
And if you don't want to do that, you could enter to win our giveaway. It's the NYX Wonder Stick. It's a highlight and contour stick, so I'm adding one extra thing for our giveaway. It's a contour stick too.
Or you make it and win the giveaway.
There you go.
Okay, let's do this. Some of the ingredients that you are going to use for today's DIY is a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of coconut oil, a few pebbles of soy wax, which is going to help kind of like bond everything together and put it in that stick form. We're going to take an old eyeshadow, like a glittery eyeshadow. We're actually going to take two of them and kind of like customize our color. The nice thing about this DIY is you can make it any color you want. So just take any old eyeshadow or highlighter or anything that you want, and you can pick the shade yourself.
Yeah.
That's what's so nice about it.
And it's funny because like you would throw this away, for example, if it was old already, but there's some little in there. You can make a full-blown brand new highlighter stick.
God, amazing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to combine our ingredients, and you can either put them in the microwave or we're going to put it in our little metal tin, and we're going to melt it over a candle to show you guys how easy this can be. So I would say, I feel like I took just a small little handful of soy wax, and I'm just going to dump it in here. And we're going to do half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Perfect. We're going to do half a tablespoon of cornstarch. And then one optional ingredient which will help this highlighter last longer is putting like a pump of primer or like a tiny dab of primer. That's really going to make a big difference too. And then from here on out, we're literally just I'm gonna hold this over our candle so that the soy wax starts to melt, and Nora's gonna start putting in some eyeshadow till we get like a right color. So we have our little customized color here, and I'm just gonna keep mixing this until it all melts together. Okay, so our mixture is melted, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour it into an empty chapstick or any type of lip balm container, and we're gonna put it in the fridge for it to harden.
And we got these from Amazon, you guys. The little empty chapstick holders.
Right to the top.
Just no.
And we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to put it in the fridge until it fully hardens. And when it does harden, it's going to look like this. And because of the soy wax, it's actually going to stay in solid form, so you can totally throw it in your makeup bag or your bag and you're ready to go.
I would actually use this as a lip balm too, right?
Multi-balm.
I mean, there's coconut oil in there, so it'll be softening. All right, so for the giveaway for this video, it's the NYX Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Stick. It's one of my favorite highlight and contour sticks.
It's such a good one.
Leave a comment below, suggest some DIYs. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, or else you can't win. Yay! And we'll see you next time. Love you guys.